Yo, new unboxing from StockX. Picked these up for under retail. Under retail. Got it for a good price. Look at that. Shiny box. Shiny box. Yo, you might see my face here. I better be careful. That face reveal, man. That Adidas box. Adidas box right there. It's got in a 7.5. Ultra Boost Uncaged Color under retail pickup. Let's take a look at the shoes. Take out my receipt. Authenticity card. Oh, let's take a look at it. Woo. Box right there. Take a look at the shoes. Bam, here's the shoes. See that? Silver cage, Ultra Boost, light peppered in baby blue and gray. Look at the bottoms. Check it out. These are fire. Gone for under retail. Color. Right there. The cage ones are going for like 600 bucks. Those are crazy. I'm not feeling those. But these, I just picked it up for the low. Color on the back, heel tab. Very, very clean shoe. Check it out. Has the authenticity hang tag. But yeah, these are sick. The silver heel cage is crazy, man. Popping like crazy. Yep, Uncaged. Not really a fan of Uncaged, but this color was fire. Picked it up. 3 stripes on the side. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. See you guys in my next video. Peace.